guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be unboxing and rating Fidget toys, so stay tuned for more. Before we get to the video, let me remind you to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell if you haven't already. Now let's get started. Okay, so I don't know if this set's really good because we just got the first one we saw on Amazon, but it's a Fidget toy set, and there's obviously Fidget toys inside. I think there's probably about 36 to 42 pieces, but I really don't know. So now let's dive in. Okay, so this first one is a really satisfying stress ball. It has this net over it and Orbeez inside, which is just amazing. So I'm giving this a 10 out of 10 because who doesn't love stress balls? I mean, this one is just amazing too. It deserves a 10 out of 10. That's what we're giving it. Okay, so next there are these little spike balls. This box might not be the best. They might have just stuffed random stuff in there, but oh, they stick together. Oh my gosh, I didn't know they stuck together. That is sort of cool. Okay, just sticking together, nothing else though. No. Oh, wow, they feel really good if you rub them around in your hands. Okay, I don't know. This deserves 3 out of 10. It's only a 3 out of 10. I mean, it's okay. It's not the best. It's not like a Pop-It or all that good stuff, but it's a 3 out of 10. Okay. Okay, monkey noodles. Why is the shot yellow? Oh, well. They're monkey noodles. They're good monkey noodles, even though there are many. There's pink, orange, 2 yellows, and 2 blues. And overall, they're okay. Okay, well, I think I'll give it a 6 out of 10. Oh, when you put them all together, it's sort of like a giant monkey noodle. Well, okay, it gets a 6 out of 10. Now let's move on. Oh, what do we have here? Mochis? I like mochis. There's a dog. Oh my god, it's so adorable. And then there's a, what is it? Is it like a monkey? It's a monkey. A monkey. Wow, monkey. And is that like a whale? Oh, it's a penguin. It's a penguin mochi. Interesting. And what the heck? It's a hippo. It's unnaturally squishy. It's not supposed to be this squishy. It makes my hands all like buttery. Yeah, what's wrong with it? I like it a lot though. Okay, the penguin, the monkey, and the dog get... Can you see the difference between those two? Anyways, those 3 get a 4 out of 10, and the green hippo gets a 7 out of 10 because it's so squishy. Oh my gosh. Oh, there's Floam. Yes, I love Floam. Okay, I'm just saying now Floam gets a 10 out of 10 because all Floam is good. All Floam. Oh, look at that. It's so squishy. I love Floam. Okay, Floam 10 out of 10 immediately. Yeah. Okay. Yes, Floam. Oh my gosh. Oh, Wacky Tracks, yes. Let me just say for once, I love Wacky Tracks. They get an 8 out of 10 today, yeah. There's a green and blue and an orange and blue. Nice. They break apart though. I don't know, how do I put them back together? Oh my gosh! Oh, 2 tiny Fidget cubes. Never been my thing. Rubik's Cubes, never. I can't solve them at all. And these ones are just like really low quality and bad. Nah, these are 0 out of 10. Sorry. Another 0 out of 10. These are mazes that don't even work at all. And they're 3D and they're just terrible. 0 out of 10 immediately. Sorry. This is junk. Okay, there's marble meshes. Marble meshes aren't really bad. They aren't really good. They're just okay. So this is a 5 out of 10. There's 3 bright yellow marble meshes. Okay. I like marble meshes. Sort of. A bicycle chain. A lot of things in this pack are just like tiny fidgets. So like not like big ones, like I don't know, a Simple Dimple or something. Oh, Simple Dimple's small. I don't know, but they're just like a lot of small ones in this pack. And the bicycle chain, I mean, it's pretty fun. It's like a good bicycle chain. I'm giving it a 6 out of 10. What? This is like a fake puzzle ball. Well, it is a puzzle ball. I mean, there's different kinds of puzzle balls, but okay, 3 out of 10. Oh, it's a pea popper. Yes, I like pea poppers a lot. This is 9 out of 10 because it's a pea popper. Look at the tiny face. Okay, 9 out of 10 for the pea popper. Oh, there's slime? Am I supposed to be surprised that there's slime in a fidget toy box? I don't know. Slime just doesn't really feel like a fidget to me. It's like something else, like a non-Newtonian fluid. I don't know. Slime gets a 7 out of 10 because who doesn't love slime? Another stress ball. It's almost exactly like the first one, except it has these spikes all over it and it doesn't have the net. I like it a lot. It's another stress ball that has a rating of 10. Oh, it's an infinity cube. Okay, I really like infinity cubes, but the hints are sort of weird on this one. I don't know. If it was like a really good infinity cube, I think I could give it like a 7 to 9. But this like one isn't so good, so I'm only about ready to give it a 4. Okay, that was the last fidget. Okay guys, that was the last one. Sorry the video wasn't longer. If you liked stuff like this, don't forget to subscribe to Cass and Jay. And I might make a sequel to this video, so we can just wait and see. So I guess I'll see you next time. Bye!